So wait a sec. Let me just compose myself. Can't remember what I was oh, that's it, yeah. Yeah, so on my way to I'm gonna go to McDonald's Edinburgh Way, man. That's actually what I'm gonna do. So well, wow, my figure. I got my music in as well, so sort of killing two birds with one stone. You know. Yeah, so realistically that's about it. So I'm just trying to cross this road. Yeah, a nightmare, but Oi! Nearly get mowed down. First be so much pain to see. Fly mode, I'm a homicidal outlaw. Like song, be a fucking. Actually, no. Let's have a quick look at this statue as well while I'm here. Now, you know what? That's impressive, man. That is actually impressive. It's actually given me an idea as well. I've actually got a great idea. I've got a great idea. Oh wow. Oh my god, that is actually oh man. Oh man, that's a great idea. Ha! That might be the first one actually on the list. Wow. Okay. I don't want to give too much away. Well, it's definitely given me an idea. So yeah, I'm going this way. Don't ask me why. You know? Nah, you gotta switch up the routes. I mean, this is like the most abstract way to go, but okay. And if it's that easy, baby got a problem saying bye-bye, just another hazard of a fly guy. It ain't no need in being greedy. If you want to see me, dial that beeper number, baby, when you need me. Jiffy, don't be picky, just be happy with this. When you learn, tie me down, baby doll. Round and round, round we go. To apocalypse now, don't stop for hoes. Yo, let them hoes know. You can tell from my everyday fits, I ain't rich, you see some Essex. I tell you, I always get recognition off the nice girls. I like genuinely do. Like, and then I see the fella they're with and I'm like, oh, that's why. You know what I'm trying to say on that one as well. So, I think it's second time to do my thing. Oh, you heard that I was banging? So, abstract roots, but you know what? At least it's a little bit of a switch up from the norm. I thought what I'm talking about was here like a week ago, but okay. Oh my god, that girl on the bike, Jesus Christ. Anyway. Should be illegal, man. Oh, in my 500 bands. Hey, come on. Dope being sold. I ain't the one selling. Papa gang of weed to keep from going under. See me dead. Now I got 2 Rottweilers by my bed. Hard to be positive. One thing I will say though, I rarely walk from this angle this way though, I have to say. I mean, yeah, I do come down this way, but thinking about it, it's always normally the other way, coming back up towards the town rather than away from it, you know? But don't get it twisted, I do this route quite a lot. Oh no, what am I talking about? Didn't I record this? I swear I recorded this exact route now, thinking about it. Oh, actually, you know what, I can't even remember. Oh well. It's like, it's like, who fucking cares anyway, man? This is shit. I'm just gonna put that out there. Danger of death there, so another one's. Well, this danger of death thing is what used to boot me out when I was younger, though. But yeah, for anyone that's not from Harlow, you'll notice how green it is, and how we should appreciate that a lot more than we do, because you don't get this sort of greenery in London. You just don't. You get your designated parks, but in terms of just everyday life, walking around, you know, how many times can you walk off of a sort of like a side road and then be straight into like the wilderness like this? Like it's rare. It's a rare occurrence in London, but we take it for granted and say the town's a dive. But I mean, yeah, the town is a dive, but in terms of nature, it's certainly not. But yeah, that new idea, oh, that's gonna be big. That's gonna be big. Can't believe it. That just came to me. Like, damn, I'm a genius. I am a genius. Oh yeah, yesterday I was walking that way in the rain. See, I told you, bro. Actually, it was as well. Damn. Oh well. Even though it wasn't me. That's just me singing along to my song, yeah. Great singing, obviously. So I was thinking of going straight down there, but yeah, I will actually, yeah. Baby, don't cry. I remember going into these flats with my mate, actually. Oh, but I remember, actually, it wasn't even that long ago. Oh, man. Hornbeams, is it? Or I mean, I think the reason I'm laughing is I've actually got stories that I can't tell about that. Oh, well. Never give up. MC like me, he was strong. Leave him, motherfuckers, boy. Can't say I've ever walked down that turn in there though. Big house that way though. Imagine they keep on wishing upon a star, finally realizing who the you can get on with me how long this way is round as well, and yes it is, but compared to oh well. Eating into valuable work time, but you know, it don't matter really, does it? Highly flammable. So yeah, that's what I was going to say. The good thing about this is that recording journeys isn't actually eating into it. I got thrown off when I saw that van. Recording journeys like this isn't eating into my productivity. productivity. Yeah. It isn't eating into my productivity. Too. I know, man. Anyway, yeah, as much. Because obviously, often the journey, like walking to and from a work situation or, you know, whatever the case may be. So, see in my head, I'm like, oh, now I'm on track, but this said something long, I have to walk straight up the road as well. Oh well. But you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. Just walk along the river. I might even do it as well. When you see me. Caravan and brothers. Oh, you should have given me a phone 10 years ago, mate. I'd have been doing this then. I'd have built something credible by now, trust me, but there you go. I don't even know why I never got a phone. I didn't even know what a smartphone was. No, I knew what it was. I wasn't even in that realm. I'm just gonna put that out there. I wasn't even in the stratosphere of smartphones. Now this way seems slightly like counterintuitive, but it's going to be a bit of a nicer walk, so I'll do it anyway. I mean, from where I was to get to McDonald's, this is actually ridiculous, but okay. But yeah, I'll upload this when I get in tonight. I'm not going to like forget to upload them or like collect them on my phone and then upload them all like at a later date. I'll put it on there right away this evening, you know. I mean, if I bought my cable, I could have actually done it in McDonald's, but nice little church there. I can't remember what's that called. Oh yeah, little Parndon, yeah. And then obviously Parndon Mill up here on the left. But yeah, the most abstract way of getting to McDonald's ever from where I was. It's actually a fairly short walk, but I just, you know, those routes actually get to me. Like, if I've walked a route a million times, I just don't feel good walking it. So, baby Bubba, G's and the keys. I follow as we ride. Takes me back. I remember walking this way when just before I moved back to Hatfield. There's Parndon Mill. Just before going back to Hatfield, walking this way, thinking it was the start of a new beginning, and I lasted 3 weeks. So that worked out. That worked out well. Trains there, train track there. Still better than working, eh? I mean, I'm actually pretty hot, but it's, oh man, I'm telling you, man. Door with your jealous questions. You tried everything, but you don't give up. Yeah, I was considering walking down on that side. Oh, whoops, I dropped the phone in the river. It's like, oh well. Yeah, I'm going to walk down on this side actually. Nature reserve. But yeah, what other towns can say they got this though? You know what I mean? Like, I'll be appreciative of this. I mean, even myself, like, I don't appreciate, like, people say to me, what's Harlow like? I say, oh, shit. But really, I could say we have incredible nature. That's a bit, I don't know. Never say that. That's the thing, I never say it, like, oh dear. Stressing my vision's blurry, the question is. So, McDonald's, not actually going in there to eat, but I might just buy a little something, just a little something, you know. So yeah, if you've never been down there before, it's pretty good. Just comes out of the outdoor pursuit centre, but this is actually like a proper like nature reserve. So, and then a train track just dumped right in the middle. It's like, but yeah, it's quite cool, man. I can't say I spend all my time down there, but you know, don't get me wrong, I've been this way, like, but I'm gonna start making, oh yeah, I'm here every day, you know, like, no, but still, it's nice down there, you know, it's nice. You know, just to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, because it all gets a bit much for me, you know. Yeah, put that out there. Bit of an information point here. I dare say this bench is probably the most underused bench in the whole town, but oh, actually, it looks like someone might have sat there. Parndon Marsh Local Nature Reserve. Whoa, look at that spider. A wasp spider. I've read this before, but there's one of the seats there. So, yeah, like pretty cool. I mean, I've actually read that before, but I actually couldn't remember half of it. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? Interesting. So yeah, if anyone who doesn't even know this is here, like, this could be a little bit of awareness for you. Harlow, Essex, Parndon, what is it? Parndon Nature Reserve. Probably put that one in the title of the video, actually, just bring a bit of awareness to the peoples, to the 1 or 2 people watching each video, you know. So actually, that's quite funny. It reminds me, all that one view stuff. Like, I was coming out doing that one view stuff myself as a preemptive, and then I forgot I even did that, and then I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so yeah, little walk through and all, you know, cause I mean, it added significant time to the journey, but we're getting busy in the parking lot. Push my love inside. Love song stuck in the lust. And back breaking one. And then, wow, it's huge, man. Dot leaves. Wow. Mental. Mental, mate. Mental. You and me alone, everybody's gone. Toss it up, baby, let's get it on. I can't hit that high note, it's just hoi hoi. So obviously, yeah, steps and stuff. Ha! Trust me, I'll actually dive across. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Trap scenes both. Can't lie, my love for the other side. I'm so cautious when it comes to crossing roads, folks. I'm not even joking, like. Hurts, like. Definitely am, like, there's no need to run there, but. Standing over me. Alright. That's a really well controlled dog. And he said to him, but damn, you know, it's not until I started recording I realised, like, so what, are we in summer now, or are we still in spring? I think it's a little transitional period, isn't it now? I think it's summer, isn't it? I it's actually summer now, isn't it? I don't know. Maybe someone put in the comments below. 25 minutes into the video, like. But I swear to God, if anyone's watched them 25 minutes, you're actually a legend. I know that word is overused, like, but when I say it's overused, I mean it's overused. Because I was with my mate the other day. Went into the taxi company. Alright boss, can I have a taxi please? Yeah. Here's your taxi mate. Mate's, legend mate. Just for doing his job. He's a legend. So, talk about overused. So station there on the left, but obviously missed it. Too busy nattering away. But yeah, this part of the walk was normally the part of the walk when I was doing it every day, which I've had a little bit of a break recently, but when I was doing this walk every day, this was a section of the walk that used to sort of like, it sort of ticked me off a little bit. Only because it was just so over familiar in the end. Like, I get to this roundabout and it's just like, just walking out this little straight. But you know what? I might even switch it up. I'm gonna walk through the town park. Nah, actually, there's no point at this stage. Really isn't. But no, I'm just gonna go straight up. Yeah, this particular part, you know. See Travelodge there on the left. I've never actually stayed in that, but why would I when I live in Harlow? So you know what I'm trying to say as well. Unless so Toby Carvery there. Get a nice little roast meal in there, mate. It's alright in there, it's alright. Actually, tell a lie, it's not alright, it's half black. Mate, classics. Man, the classics, man. Being a total fool, not even looking where I'm going. I've become one of these guys that I used to like. I remember talking about people like, always on their phones and stuff. Not even looking where they're going and stuff. As I walked straight into a tree branch there. Didn't see that, I was off camera, but. So yeah, anyway, and then straight up this hill and then. And there, so. And then yeah, so. Really and truly, that's about it, but. What I might do is create a playlist of all the vlogs so far, and then I can sort of like start differentiating a little bit more. I can do a cartoon. I'm already thinking about what I'm gonna do on YouTube though, and like that isn't work related. Like, I'm telling you, man. Imagine if this actually was a job. Oh man, that's not work. You can't tell me, and you can't even tell me editing is work either, because that's not hard at all. So, sorry to anyone who does that, but that's not work. Try writing a credible article for a ranking source online, and then get back to me. You know, like. Really, that's all I got to say about that, because I'm telling you, man. Or, you know. Try writing like 500-800 word articles for a credible forum per day, and then get back to me and tell me that the editing is tough, because it's probably one of the easiest things I've ever done in my life. Like, you know, like, so really, that's all I've got to say on that. But yeah, so Oh man, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling these guys. I think that's why I sort of like, I've been doing this more than the writing, not getting paid, so I had a lot of money when I first started doing YouTube. I'm broke. I'm actually broke now, so that's great. That's why I'm getting back to the work now, but I had thousands. I had absolute. Do you remember when I first started and I was like, oh, yeah, this is real work. Because I was talking about my writing and stuff, and then I was like, that's real work. YouTube is nothing and all that. I used to say that. I was only joking around, but like, yeah. So I couldn't have been any more right there. However, like, I slowly drifted from work to this, and I've actually bankrupted myself. So that is brilliant, really. Like, I'm actually so broke. So, and then like I came around to meeting my friends, my old friends from school, and like I was saying to myself, finally, next time I meet them with my friends, I'm going to be in a good financial position. Bankrupted myself, so that was good. So I met up as poor as ever, as broke as ever. I was like, I finally made it, you know. Oh well, next time, eh? Maybe in 2 years' time. Thing is, I can earn money as well, fairly easily. So anyway, I'll do some of it today. And when I say fairly easily, I'm not saying it's easy, but if I apply myself, it's easy. However, the subject matter itself is actually quite complex at times. But often I'm trying to convert complex subject matter into something that's easily digestible, if that makes sense. So that's really the nature of writing, you know. It's like Einstein said, if you can't explain something simply, you probably don't understand it. So that's a concept that I actually hold on to throughout my writing, because I'm trying to take something that's complex in its raw form and then explain it to an audience as simply as possible, which obviously requires understanding it properly yourself if you're going to translate that message properly. Yeah, I think that's what I was trying to say. As I listen to my music and so, like, navigate my surroundings, and another nature reserve there. That's one that backs off for the back of the old learning centre, you know. I mean the driving, the driving thing, you know. So anyway, I'm just about getting to where I needed to get. It's been a pleasant walk, for sure. It's a hot one. Not sure why I got this jumper on either. You know? So, there's Burger King. Oh no, sorry, Chiquitos. And there's Toys R Us. Closed down, so. Damn. I've never really like taken it in from this angle. It's quite grand. And then a little cross here, and then McDonald's going to be a nightmare. Oh, not one of my best ideas. I don't know why I didn't just go in a coffee shop and a bloody... you know what? I'm not even going in there. I walked all this way. I'm not even going to go in there. I'm not going in there if it's like that. Nah, man. Actually, I might... Nah, you know, I'll come all this way. I might as well. Yeah, you know what? that was the original journey. God, I literally like, I was just about to turn around and go. Nah, you know what? Nah, forget that. I'm not sitting in there. I'm definitely not sitting in there, mate. So that entire journey, however long that was, 35 minutes, that was in vain. So, mate, I don't know. I just didn't expect it to be that busy. So I'll probably go back to the town now. Like, I'll just go in Starbucks or something like that, or which I was actually gonna do anyway. That's the thing. Like, what am I doing, man? Like, I was literally there as well. I was like, nah, you know what? Go McDonald's. So it's such a long way to go as well to get to McDonald's and to not go in, but no, it's chocker, mate. Anyone would have thought it's bank holiday or something, man. Oh, John, things are gonna get easier. Man, I'm telling you, all these people, man, just coming from McDonald's, I'm sure. Like, I love McDonald's, mate. They love it. They love it. I mean, I was in there every night, and I wasn't even buying anything in there. Like, I was getting a tea in there. But don't get it twisted, I'm still a fat bastard, though. But during this week, you'll see some real progression out there. You know, you'll see my face getting slimmer. Once I get back to my running and stuff, and yeah, you'll see. And then by the time I'm ready for Friday night, oh, it's going down. Oh, it's going down this Friday. Easy. Take it easy. So, yeah, I'm just going to cut through and then go back to the town, which is where I started off. So, is there a limit on how big, like, files can be uploading them on YouTube? Or if it's too big, then I'll just have to cut it into a couple pieces or whatever. Oi, boy. Oh my god. Yeah, so now this is like one of my most common walks ever. Like, oh my god. This is like, it's almost to the point where I'm fed up of the town park. Like, now there's certain routes through the town park that are still okay for me. There's other routes that are so familiar, like, I don't even know if I enjoy them anymore, you know? You know? But it's still a million times better than any main road route, so. I went to walk up to Sainsbury's, or I'll probably walk up to Sainsbury's and then cut back through into the town that way, yeah. nearly fell over there, so. But yeah, really, realistically, that's really all I've got to say. I've actually developed a couple of catchphrases over time, like, and I'm sure I don't even talk the same way as when I started out on YouTube. Like, genuinely, like, I didn't talk this way at all when I started on YouTube. I actually had a false perception of how I spoke. In my head, I thought I was talking in a commanding way, yeah. And then I heard myself, I was like, you actually sound like a girl, so. I know I still do it a bit. I can hear myself, but still. It's all good, it's all good. So, So I might even split this into two anyway, I don't know. Damn, what the hell is that, man? I ain't seen that other gate on the inside before. An additional fence on the inside must be to stop kids escaping out the back of the. I tell you that, if I was a burnt mill, mate, just the idea of just like creeping out the back into the town park is actually one of bliss, like compared to being at school. I'd have loved that. Used to do a little bit of running around here when I was about 14, 15. I used to do laps. But yeah, I remember the good old days though of being able to actually, literally, yeah, just being able to walk straight across here, no fences, nothing. It was just completely open. You just walk straight across the school field, up past the school. It seems ludicrous now. Straight down there, yeah. Straight across the back of the school field, and it comes out right where my house is, and like it was perfect. But like thinking about that now, like walking across school grounds now is sort of a foreign concept, because but then, oh mate, it was bliss, that cut through, absolute bliss. But cool, thinking about it now, like crazy to think. Bust ass. So I used to love that cut through as well. Thing is, I probably would. I don't remember doing it like while kids were at school, though. I'm saying that, but
Go, baby, show some willpower.
yeah, I wouldn't do it. Like, I wouldn't actually. I never did it. I don't know. You know. I mean, I was around school age then, anyway. So. Everyday thing. I haven't lost too many homies from them. I smoke a blunt to take the pain out, and if I wasn't high, I'd probably try to blow my brains out. Obviously, you got the memorial here. for all those who served our country, you know. Like, a lot of respect. A lot of respect for that. In fact, I was here during the memoriam, was it, on November 11th. I was just thinking about that when I came to that, and there was a speech and when I went there on November the 11th, there was a nice speech, and there was a vicar gave a talk, and it was just nice. A lot of people there showing their respect, so I got a lot of respect for that, truth be told. So I don't know what it is, but everyone looks at me as if they know me. Like, trust me, man. People say hello to me and that. Like, I'm that sort of guy anyway. I'll say hello to people I don't even know. But like, people look at me and they look away and then they look back. It's like, I swear I know that guy. Don't know where from, but probably just got one of those faces, you know. The thing is, I've been around Harlow my whole life. I've been about, like, you don't really catch me like like being inactive. I'm always about, always. So, mate, this is a nice day. Oh my god, so nice, man. I even bounced the whole whole work thing, man. I'm telling you. I mean, it is bank holiday, you know, with the justifications in your head, like. I feel really good today. Well, since that sun just came out. It's a vitamin D injection. Now, it felt good getting a basketball video out there because I was thinking of doing that for a while, just as a place to like collect some of my highlights, and I don't know, it felt good. It felt good. I think partly because I envisioned doing like top 10 videos a long time ago, and like to finally fulfill that vision like 10 years on, it just kind of felt like, you know, because like I always say, everything has a purpose in life, and it feels good to sort of like complete your incomplete thoughts, if that makes sense. So there's so many things I thought of doing years ago, and I've known that there's still a place for those thoughts somewhere, and then I finally fulfill those thoughts or visions, and it's almost like a weight lifted, regardless of anything else. It's about a feeling, you know. It's about a feeling. So, sorry if that was a bit incoherent, but you know. So, damn.